Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna do unboxing a Mulberry Small Seaton handbag. So let's take a look. Ta-da! So this is a small seaton in black multicolor with matte crocodile print. It's black and gray and a dark blue. Yes, the size is a perfect size for everyday use. It's wide 30 centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. And this wide here, 13 centimeter. This handbag is very structured, so for sure it won't be saggy at all. The bag itself has a top handle, but also there is an adjustable and removable shoulder strap. There is a signature ride and lock here. So it's very good. Let's see the inside. And this is our shoulder strap. A lot of paper here. So inside there are two compartments and a central compartment. Also an internal pocket. This is suede lining, so it's very beautiful inside. And there is a Mulberry logo here. I love this bag because it's sleek, it's feminine, and it's sophisticated. Let me show you again. So you can carry the bag by using a shoulder strap and over the shoulder, or crossbody. This looks good too. Or you can carry by its top handle. You see? It takes a perfect size because it's not too big and not too small. This handbag is made from a carved skin leather, so it's good to protect your handbag with this colonial leather gel. I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing video, and I hope you like my little bag. So if you like it, please click like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!